Yeah. All right, today's the last day. Dad's in the hotel recovering. He's gonna come pick me up, so in Machens, so I don't have to ride back to St. Charles. And then we get to go hang out with my brother. Pretty cool. All right, let's finish up this trail. I have like 12, 13 miles to go, and then I'm done with the entirety of the Katy. Oh my. Made it to Machens. Someone broke the bell. Bell's broken. We started day one in St. Charles. We caught a shuttle that brought us all the way to Clinton. We rode from Clinton to Windsor, and we camped in a cabin at the Katy Rock Junction. Then we rode all the way down to Pilot Grove on day two, where we stayed in a city park for free. Then day three, we rode all the way to Easley, and we camped at Cooper's Landing. On day 4, we rode from Easley to Tebbets, and we stayed in a hostel. Then together we rode from Tebbets to Herman, and this day was hard for my dad. He was tired. This was his longest multi-day trip. He did an amazing job going from mile marker 264 to 100.8. Then from McKittrick, I rode all the way to St. Charles, where I met back up with my dad. And we stayed in the Country Inn and Suites, I think it's called, in St. Charles. And then today, I just rode the last little bit to Machens. The whole trail. My dad did an amazing job for his first long trip. 5 days of riding. Hello.
Hey. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. Just finished up the trail.
All right.
Yeah, started out in Clinton a few days ago.
Congrats.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Here we go. Brand new bell, just repaired by this guy. Thank you, sir, for repairing the bell. Here we go. Ready? Bell ring. Yeah.
I'm scared. I'm your son! How are you doing on this plank?
I put a little bit of olive oil, just a little tiny bit, like maybe like get it right.
Hilda.
Cool. And then
She's being rude.
Okay,
There you go.
and then-
Good job.
and then you take this.
Looking for it.
You need to go potty there.
I mean, you know, whatever. It's who you are. I'm not tough either.
Giants earlier. Get the AC kicked on.
Dude, I'm feeling like warmth. A little bit about the beginning and the, hanging out here. It took a little bit to believe that.
Is there anything on the ground? No, it's all. Hang on. The steaks were our biggest concern.
Yeah, good. Good job. Brandy.
There you go. Open it.
So you're. I like this.
God. Yeah.
Monitor for surgery and stuff.
Yes, it's phone.
Branches and.
Look, see, they're bouncing off of you.
That's what I was gonna say.
Hey, it popped.
That was it.
The field was generally men, and as of like
That's okay.
1990 to 2000, 60% of it's all female.
Good.
Diplomatic immunity.
Yeah, I believe it.
Oh. Yeah, you want.
I did say I would.
Hi.
I'm gonna.
Mommy.
Dude.
Mommy. Mommy.
You said you.
Fun and games.
I got right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah.
It's fun.
Ready?
Yeah. Come on, super.
All right, three's good. Three. Here we go.
Come on, get it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you guys can stop it.
All right, is that what you said?
Unicorn part.
Yeah, that's funny. That is ridiculous. Yeah.
It's already way out. It's way out.
Nah. Oh, on the hall.
Did it.
That was good.
Come on.